If you've decided to close your Discord account, follow these steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains all the information related to your account. Step 4. Scroll to Account Removal. Scroll down to the bottom of the My Account page. You'll see an option for Delete Account. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm account deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your account. You may need to enter your password and complete any verification steps required by Discord. After completing these steps, your Discord account will be scheduled for deletion. Remember that this action is permanent and you will lose all your data associated with the account. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to Discord support.